never can depend on Mother Nature. She won't start and stop on cue, so we create our own. Now, if we're lucky, let's just see if we can get them to give us a demonstration. Hey guys, if anybody's back there, you want to show us what you're working on? Cool. Right, guys, remember we had real rain last week. The ground is still saturated. Is everything under control? Should we maybe head out of here? Hey, thanks guys, that was great. As you can see here at Universal, we really can fool Mother Nature. As a matter of fact, our special effects wizards can even upstage El Nino. The flood is created with thousands of gallons of recycled water from a tank up on the hill. We create the rain by spraying upwards so that the rain falls down looking natural. This is how we created the flood in The River, which starred Mel Gibson and Sissy Spacek. And it's a lovely day again. This area of Old Mexico was also used in the film Three Amigos, which starred